Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix invalid destination address on Samsung Galaxy A25. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, click on this filter icon and then turn on show system apps button, and after that click on OK, and here scroll down and now here click on SIM toolkit. Now in SIM toolkit, scroll down and click on storage, and after opening the storage, clear the app data and cache memory of SIM toolkit. Click on delete and then go back, and in apps scroll down and now here click on messages, and now scroll down and click on storage, and here clear the app data and cache memory of messages app.